Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of polynomial functions and end behavior. Let's solve it together. To consider the function w of x equals 2 times x to the power of 10 minus 10 times x to the power of 5 plus 20, which choice best describes the end behavior of the w. Recall that the end behavior of a function is influenced by the greatest term with a degree, actually. So, if I will just say that the end behavior of a polynomial function is influenced primarily by the term with the highest degree. In this case, 2 times x to the power of 10. So, I'm going to analyze 2 times x to the power of 10 in two pieces. So I will just analyze the x to the power of 10. If you will substitute a positive value for x to the power of 10, it turns out to positive. If you will put a negative value for the x, since the exponent is even number, it still turns into positive. And what happens 2 times x to the power of 10 when it's positive times positive. 2 times positive gives you positive. And 2 times x to the power of 10, this is 2 times positive, still turns into a positive. So as x approaches the negative infinity, let's analyze the first positive, because in the choice is stated that way. As x approaches the positive infinity, the function w approaches to positive infinity, and as x approaches to negative infinity, the function still approaches to positive. So based on that, our correct answer is choice C for the specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.